TRIDHA, right? Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. Welcome to BrightChamps. What's your name? Can I see your face?
Um, yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is
Your name is
Tridha.
TRIDHA. Okay. So you want to be my student? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So very nice to meet you. Sorry, because I was when I was hearing your voice, I was thinking of a little kid. I think he was like 6 or 7 years old. So sorry, you are really young.
It's alright.
Yeah. Okay. So
I'm 14.
you're 14. Okay, I see. So good afternoon, Chida. Very nice to meet you. So my name is Lam. I am the coding educator from BrightChamps. So Chida, have you ever gone into coding, programming, or anything?
No, I've just made a HTML
Ah, then you
like
know
in school.
HTML already. So, wow, they taught you HTML at school? Okay.
Yeah, but I only had like one class
Okay.
of it.
So, quite sorry because in BrightChamp, I myself it's not in charge of HTML. Today we're gonna learn a lesson in Python. Okay? In Python. So, have you ever heard of Python?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so
Yeah,
let me
this
introduce you a little
program
bit about
language.
Python. Please wait me a little bit. I have to open this some file here. Very nice to meet you, Shida.
Very nice to meet you as well.
Because I have to open the right textbook because now there was some. I have some Python file here, but maybe it's still too hard. So uh, maybe this one. Just wait me a little. So which area? Which country are you from, Shida? You're from India. Okay, very nice. So
I'm
India
from
is
India,
yeah.
but
Now you're
I
in Omar.
reside in
Omar
Oman.
in the Middle East.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Yes.
Okay, here I'm gonna show you. Share screen. There you go. So this is Python. So it's quite easy and friendly languages. So have you ever know what is Python used for? What is its usage? So Python can use to
No,
be doing
I've never
something like
heard.
data analysis, like this. Uh, so basically, do you know stock market? Yeah, so a lot of time it's used to predict stock market, you know, stock market. So things
Yes.
like this, visualizing data, and this is like this for clusterization. This for something similar to stock market. Okay, not quite, but something similar. So Python can also be used in game development. Python game development. So here you can see. Absolutely, absolutely. If your parent want to come in, please invite them in, and I'm gonna have some
Could my
word with.
parents join the meet?
Yes.
Okay, just give me 1 minute.
So your mother is not gonna join? Okay.
Yes, so we're having
Okay.
some issues, so she won't be joining. You can continue.
Okay, so I say again, game development, so you can create some
No,
beautiful
she'll just
games.
be hearing it.
And this is the first, the most popular application of Python is web development. So you can create website, website like Shopee, or in India I don't really use India internet, so maybe I don't know, but maybe there's some famous internet. So you can see that's web development. So that's some usage to Python. Okay, it's the application of Python. So today we're gonna learn the basic of Python already, only because this is still a long way. So
Yes.
TRIDHA, do you have a Google account? Do you have a Google account? Google account. Excuse. Cannot hear you. Do you have a Google account? Yes. So please search for Google Colab.
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Is that? It's okay. It's okay. So
Excuse me, my
let's
Wi-Fi was unstable.
search Google Colab. Let's search for that.
Actually, your face is stuck.
Yeah. And
Oh yeah, it's
just
all
click
right
on the
now.
first link and go there. Alright. Don't worry, it's gonna be fun and easy. Yeah. It's not gonna be fun and easy forever, but today it's gonna be fun and easy. Yeah. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Okay, so first of all, here's the view. But to begin the lesson, I don't want to go to anything like academic first. Let's play a game together, okay? Do you know the game Simon Said? Yeah, so let's play that game. For example, I say Simon said, touch your nose. Okay, please.
Yes.
You touch your nose, of course. But when I say touch your cheek, no, don't touch the cheek because no Simon
So
said,
touching.
okay? So if Simon said do the action, no Simon said don't do anything, okay? Let's try it out. Simon said
Yeah.
touch your mouth, touch your eye. Okay, good job, yeah, okay. So there's an idea to this game. Is that when I tell you Simon said, you do the action, right? But no Simon said, you don't do the action, alright? So this is very similar to computer, okay? Computer, when you tell them to do one thing, they're gonna do that thing. If you tell them not to do it, it will not do it, okay? So this kind of similarity between the game and computer. That's why I try my students to play that game. So okay, so when you come here, you can click on File here and choose New Notebook. And just please wait for it to load. Yeah, do it right now. Do it along with me. Why not? Yeah.
Do I have to do this right now?
Okay, so who is in a meeting now? Is your mother or? Oh,
Okay,
so
Mrs.
very nice to meet you. But first of all, we have to finish the lesson first. So then we can talk. I can talk to you after the lesson. But if you have any concern or question, you can ask me right now.
इसमें नहीं आ रहा।
आप ऐसे कर दो।
My connection is still stable and
The
normal.
thing is, she's not able to hear you from the device.
नहीं your browser connect नहीं होता
Good afternoon, madam. Very nice to meet you. No, I don't speak Indian. Sorry. No, I don't speak Bahasa.
यहाँ तक
Sorry.
आ गया वीडियो
Only
यहाँ
English.
तक इधर से नहीं आ रहा है
Shida, can you be the translator? I don't understand. Yeah. I don't understand Indian. Sorry.
No, I was asking her to go speak in the other room because they're going a lot.
Very nice to meet you, madam. Hello, madam. Madam, hello. Little bit difficulty.
इसको ऑन करके
No, I don't understand. I don't understand. Sorry.
ये जो भी है ऑन करो ये जूम है ना
No, don't understand.
तुम अटेंड करो उसको ओपन करो मैं कुछ नहीं बात करूँगी समझ में आ जाए
मैंने म्यूट किया अभी माइक हमारा माइक कौन सा मैं क्या कर रहा था
So, are you okay?
Yes, I'm so sorry about that.
Okay. So, yeah, is your mother gonna join, or if she?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. I just fell off the bed.
So let's do our lesson. Okay. So the first thing in Python, the most basic thing
I
is
don't
the
think she's
print
going to join.
statement.
It's
So print. You just write into the cell. Do you open to this? So print. Let's say hello, Chida. Okay. Hello. Chida.
Yes.
Okay, and you click on the arrow button. It's gonna run. See? Hello, Shida. That's simple. Yeah, first program done. That's all. Yeah. Okay. So that's the most basic thing in Python. It's called the print statement, and you can print out. This is called a string. Because the string is just letters. Okay, it's just letters, and even it's just letter and words, even sentences. So string in Python, they're gonna be designated by str. Okay, so here you can say hashtag string. So this is comment. So hashtag is used to make comment in Python, and when you comment anything out, the machine is not gonna read it. The machine gonna ignore the comment. Okay. So first thing, very simple. So next thing, you can print out a number. So print out. What is your favorite number, Shida? 8. Yeah, print 8. That's all. Print 8. You can see 8 getting print. If you want next cell of code, just click here, the plus code. Click. Okay. And if you want the program to run, click on the arrow. Okay. So 8 is called the integer type. So integer in Python is symbolized by int. Okay. So next we can print out a decimal as well. For example, 4.5. And
Yes.
decimal in Python is called float. Okay, so just print it out. Print. Okay, print 4.5. Well, we start small. We start with the easy stuff, so you understand the basic and get used to it first. Then we get harder. Yeah.
Ex-
Okay. This is
I
hashtag
wasn't able
is
to
for
hear you
comment.
properly, but
Hashtag is
why
for
are
people
you
comment.
the hashtag plus
Comment
string and all
is
that?
that you want to explain the code, but you don't want the computer to run it. You don't want the computer to execute it.
Oh, okay.
So when you do the hashtag, the computer is not gonna execute it. Okay, but you understand what are you doing. All right. So you can make like a explanation about the code. All right. So comment in Python. In Python, sorry, not Python, is made by hashtag. Okay. All right. Now we have to do another thing which is very important in Python. It's called a list. You know, list like
Yes.
shopping list. A shopping list, you know, right? You need to buy chicken, you need to buy beef, you need to buy rice and vegetable. Okay. In Python there was a list too. That's called shopping list. Shopping list and underscore list. Okay. Equal to. So shopping a list. A list in Python is designated by two square, open and close square bracket. Okay. Square bracket, not circle bracket. Square bracket. Okay. And you can put element inside the bracket, for example, beef, okay, chicken,
Yes.
vegetable. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite dish? Boba, okay, boba. Why not? Boba, okay. Boba like this?
Mine
Okay,
would
the drink?
be boba.
Okay. So for the list, yeah, you can print the list out. So you can just say print statement and the name of the list, shopping
Yes.
list. And yeah, shopping list. And run. See? Beef, chicken, vegetable, and boba. Okay? Okay. So so a list, there's a special thing about a list in Python, that is a list has
Yes.
index. So you can see this is the first element of the list, right? This is the second element of the list, right? This is the third element, and this is the fourth element. But in Python, it's not going to be like that. In Python, the index they're going to do like this. So the first element of the list, the first element going to be index number 0. Okay? And then next is increment of 1, then 2, and 3. Okay? So
Yes.
if you want to print out any specific element inside the list, you can say print shopping list,
Yes.
open and close square bracket, and just add the number in. For example, here I want to drink boba, so I'm gonna say number 3. Okay? Run. See the boba. Okay? Simple? Okay. So that's the basic. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So there was another basic thing in Python. This is called the conditional statement. So let's make another line of code. Next thing is conditional statement. Conditional statement, which is just if and else. If and else. Okay. So for example, like this. So you are 15 years old, right? You're 13 years old, right? So you know that only people over 18 years old can drink alcohol, right? So
Yes.
now you are not allowed. When I'm more than 18 years old, I can drink alcohol. Okay? Okay. So let's do a program. Let's write something fun. That if a person is more than 18 years old,
Yeah.
we're gonna say, okay, you are allowed to drink alcohol. But if you are too small, no alcohol for you. Okay. So for example, let's say age equal to, let's say my age is 25. Okay. And now we say if age is bigger than 80. And then here we have to very important semicolon, and then enter. And in enter, the computer gonna automatically identify. It means it's gonna go in a space, right? It has to be go in a space. So print. You can drink. You can drink alcohol. Okay, alcohol. Okay, so bigger or equal to, else I just copy and paste. Okay, so else press enter. You cannot. Okay, and because we set age to 25 and 25 is bigger than 80, so we're gonna get you can drink alcohol. Okay, because you are 25. But however, if I comment this out, so the computer not gonna read it, and I'm gonna change it to your age equal to 13. Now you cannot drink alcohol. If you drink alcohol, you gotta go to jail. Okay? Yeah. So please write it in, and if any question, you can ask me.
Yes.
Oh, you
I
don't
just had
understand
like I was not doing the code while you were explaining
Oh.
because I won't be able to understand it.
Okay, it's okay. That's okay. As
No,
long
no,
as
I
you
am understanding, but
doesn't matter.
as you were
Okay.
typing it, I wasn't doing it in my laptop
Now you
because I
can
thought I
see
was
this is
understanding
two
you
statements,
first.
right? So it's only two cases. It's either you are bigger than 18 or you are less than 18, right? But in reality, there are more than two cases. For example, let me think of an example. So you know a triangle? Triangle. No, let's do something more like realistic everything, which is more example. Do you have anything that has three cases? Three or four cases? That's fine. Okay, I just say star, right? A star. Let's say we have the moon. Okay, moon is not a star, but whatever. The sun and Jupiter. Okay, whatever. Okay, so now let's start equal to is everything okay? Okay, so now say star is equal to moon, so if
Yes.
star
Yeah, everything is alright.
is equal to, is comparing relation size, so two equal sign is equal to moon. What I want to say, let's say just say anything you want to say about the moon. Says the moon is beautiful, so let's say print the moon is what? Yeah, it's a satellite.
The moon
Satellite.
is a satellite.
Satellite. Okay. But
It's a natural
here,
satellite.
now we have to go to the sun, right? So for the next syntax is called LE.
And,
Okay. Star is equal to the sun. Then we say the sun is a star, right? The sun isn't actually a star. Yeah. So the sun is a star. And else,
Yeah.
you want to say print Jupiter is a planet, right? So so here the first condition gonna use if, the last condition
Yes.
gonna use else, okay? Anything in the between gonna use else, okay? So let's try to run. Yeah, the moon is a satellite. So
Yes.
I can make more cases, Jupiter, whatever, Mars. Okay, so I can make another ellipse case. So ellipse. So ellipse. Okay, so let's say Mars before Jupiter. So I'm gonna keep Jupiter as the ending element. So Mars here, Jupiter is ending. So Mars, LE star is equal to Mars, and I want to say print you have aliens. Okay, star you have aliens, because they say that Mars had aliens, right? Conspiracy theory. So yeah, Mars had aliens. Yeah, okay. So here, if star is equal to the moon, and then they say we should return that the moon is a satellite, right? So here, the moon is a satellite. But if I change this to Mars, okay, I change it to Mars. No, Jupiter is not a planet, not that. This is Mars. Sorry. Yeah, you have aliens. You see? Okay. So the point of the point of this game is that when you have many conditions, the first condition gonna using if, the last condition gonna using else, everything in the between gonna use else. Okay? Okay, that's all. Understand? That's all. Very simple. Okay.
Yes.
Let me see what is next. Okay. So do you know about remainder? Do you know about remainder? Remainder. Okay. So actually, in the if else statement is created so people can do the remainder exercise. A lot of my students
Yes,
cannot
yes, I
do the
know.
remainder exercise. So mind you are one of the good one. Yeah. Maybe you are one of the gifted one. Yeah. Okay. So you know division for 3, right? Division for 3. So if a number is divisible by 3, the remainder gonna be 0, and it can be 1 and 2 remainder. So we're gonna write a
Yes.
program so that when we put in the number, the computer gonna spit out
Yes.
the remainder of that number in 3 when divided by 3. Okay? So to do that, we say number equal to int input,
Yes.
and we're gonna make a prompt inside, enter
Yes.
your integer like this. So do you understand? Because I teach a lot of Indian kids, and they just say yes, 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 and they don't understand anything. So do you understand? Do you understand the lessons? Really?
What?
Oh. So do you understand the lessons?
Yes, I had.
Do you understand the lessons?
I can't hear you properly.
No, the lesson I'm teaching. You don't understand? Oh, come on.
Standard
You have
lesson?
to tell me. Which part you don't understand? Which
No,
part you
I
don't
haven't.
understand? Everything to now. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So why you say you don't understand? Come on.
I've understood everything until now.
You can ask everything. Come on, why not? Okay, so
No,
you
I
can
do
answer in
understand. I was
literature.
asked. I
So
thought
I'm
you were
gonna set
asking me
a
about the lesson in
remainder
school.
variable. Remainder gonna be number, and this is the operator called modulus. Modulus is called, okay. So comment it out. So modulus is like this. Okay. Modulus is operator is used to check remainder. Okay, to check remainder. All right. So now if remainder is equal to 1, then we're gonna print.
Yes.
Okay, so when divided by 3, what is the cases of remainder could there be? When the number is divided by 3, what is the remainder that it could possibly be? Yeah, so it could be 0, could it be 1?
If 3 was divided by 3,
Yes, why not? Could
the
be 1.
remainder would be 0.
You know, how about
No.
4? 4 when divided by 3, what's the
No,
remainder?
if 3 is divided by 3, then the quotient would
No, I am talking about integer, come on. Don't be like that, don't play that game, come on. You know it,
the
right?
remainder would be
No,
0.
I'm talking about integer division, I'm not talking about decimal. Yeah, so what is the remainder when 4 divided by 3?
Alright.
It's 1, come on, think, come on.
4 when divided by 3 would be.
Yeah, okay.
I
Do
don't
you
know.
forgot to drink bubble tea today? Okay. So
I don't have.
when remainder is 1, say no, the remainder
Yeah.
when divided by 3 is 1. Is 0, sorry, 0, I'm lucky too. Okay, so now second case, remainder equal to 1, so elif, right, elif, remainder is 1, then we're gonna fix this to 1. Okay, so last case, okay, TRIDHA,
Yes.
last case, which statement we gonna use for the last case? Else, very good, come on, you are good, don't be, like acting out. Else, then we're gonna say
Else.
the remainder is what? Else, yeah, 5. It's 2, come on. Right? 2.
Remainder is
Okay. Let's run the program
5.
and for example, give me your favorite number. 5. Okay. Here, the remainder when divided by 3 is 2. Okay?
5.
Alright. Do you want to play a game? Yeah, why not? Game's fun. Okay, wait me a little bit. Have a drink.
Sure.
Okay, so let's create different cells. Okay, let's create different cells and let's do the game. So our game is a lottery game. Do you know lottery? Is there a lottery in India? Lottery or lottery? Huh?
Yes,
No
it is
lottery?
there. I'm
Yeah,
talking
so
about
we
real
create a
life
game about
lottery,
lottery
not
now.
a game
Now we're
named
gonna
lottery.
create it. Okay? Okay.
No, there is
So
lotteries.
the game is quite basic. So here's the game.
Okay.
Okay. So here's the lottery game. The lottery game is like
Yes,
this. So
continue,
in real
please.
lottery, you know that when you buy a ticket, right, and you compare it to the result, right? So if the result is similar to your ticket, you win the lottery. Otherwise, you lost, right? Right? And the lottery is kind of random. It's like you are not the one who pick the lottery. It's the house. It's the house who pick the lottery, right?
Yes.
So in this game, I'm gonna simulate the action of you buying the ticket. You have the ticket, and the house they're gonna choose the winning number. Okay? So so first of all, in order to buy a ticket, maybe you just give a random number. So in equal to in
Yes.
input, and there you enter an integer. So that's why how you buy a ticket. You buy a ticket, you have a number. So in this case, you just enter in your desired number. Alright? Next, I'm gonna use something called import random. Import random is a function in
Yes.
Python, is to import the random library. So in Python, they have so it's not like everything is coded by us. Some of them are already programmed beforehand. So it's like some engineer, they have programmed this thing beforehand. Okay, they have programmed this thing beforehand, so we don't have to do anything. So we just say import random. Okay, and this is
Yes.
random, and we're gonna use the function ran int, which is basically you choose a random integer. Okay, random integer. So we set lottery to be random dot granting and running from 1 to 10. So it just basically pick any random number from 1 to 10. Okay? Pick one. Pick one. 9, that's gonna be your lottery. So I run the code. 9.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Good luck
9.
next time. You're gonna win this time. Sorry. The lottery is 7. Okay, I'm gonna pick another one. I'm gonna pick a 6. Let's try if I win the lottery. Yeah, sorry, I lose too. Yeah. Okay. But however, I'm gonna pick a random as a lottery. I'm gonna print out the lottery. Okay? And now I compare two things. First, I compare your number, which is input number, and second is I compare it with the lottery, which is random. Okay? So if your ticket is equal to the lottery number, of course you win. Congratulations, right? You win $10 million and you
Yes.
can live happily forever after, right? Don't have to go to work anymore. Okay? So print, congratulations, you win the lottery. Okay?
Yes.
Well, else, when you didn't win, then you lose. That's all. You didn't win, then you lose. Simply as that. So we're gonna print good luck next time. Okay? So here we're gonna use if and else, right? If and else, as we just learned from the previous exercises. Okay? So if we're winning, we have one condition. If we are losing, we have another condition. Alright? Let's run. Let's say 66. Yeah, lottery is 3. Good luck next time. Lottery is 8. Well, still good luck next time. Maybe I'm not good at lottery. Maybe I'm gonna have to sell my house. Yeah. 10. Lottery is 10. Green. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So do you feel anything of this hard or have any questions? No. So quite good. Okay. So is your parent there? Can I talk to your parent? Because I think that's almost the end of the class.
No.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Alright. Just give me 1 minute. I'll call her.